to show you how you can put together a really nice tub and shower cleaner. Now, not only you can clean your tub and shower, but you can clean your sinks, you can clean your countertops, you know, you can squirt it on a stubborn stain on your counter and, you know, just leave it sit there on stubborn stains and it will get it off. First off, I get these at the dollar store or Dollar Tree. I love them. Anyway, so I got a squirt bottle. And I've got 1/2 cup of Blue Dawn dish soap. And it's important that you use the blue. Okay? And then if you can see, my vinegar is steaming. Because you're supposed to have warmed vinegar. And I know why that is. Why? Because it will mix with the Dawn beautifully. It mixes and bonds with it when it's warmed. Okay, so we got that all done. We're just going to put our, and of course you can fill this. I never fill mine. I just do it a little at a time. You put your screw cap on there and just shake it slightly. Just enough to mix it. And that's it. That's all you do. I gotta fix this so it's not, I need it to spray. And it's squirting instead of spraying. Oh, I'll figure that one out. Maybe this is only one of those that just spray. Anyway, there you have it. That's how easy it is to put together. We'll clean this up. Wipes up nice. Good deal. There you go, friends. Give it a try. Use it in your shower. It's supposed to make your shower look amazing and just not dissolve, but, you know, melt off the soap scum, and it's wonderful stuff. So give it a try. I don't know if you can see my tub real well, friends, but I did. And if you look up in there and you see the brown, I've got hard water. Well, I've got village water, but it leaves some really bad stains on my tub. Now, I'm going to squirt them. I washed this all down so I could show you. It's just shining and beautiful. But there are that stubborn hard water stain there. Right in through there. You can see it, and it goes up. I'm going to squirt that on there, and I'm going to leave that set tonight and just see how it does. And, but there, that's how wonderful it does work. It works beautiful. So give it a try. I'm going to show you my kitchen sink because I did that too. Now my kitchen sink, I don't get like the hard water stains on here for some reason. I don't know. I got a chip in my sink. But anyway, that stuff, look at my sink, how shiny it is. And look at this. I even did my kitchen tubs. They're wonderful. Nice and clean and beautiful. I love it when it's clean and shining. Yes, I will use that. I will use that for my stove top, my countertops, my tubs, my sink, my bathroom, everything. It'd be like an all-purpose cleaner. So there you have it. Give this a try. It's fantastic. Thanks for watching.